Hello, everyone. My name is Kelly Cleland. I'm a customer success manager with Microsoft, and I'm here today to discuss with you and highlight the amazing features coming out of Microsoft Ignite all around what's new in Microsoft Teams. Special thanks to Nishant Shah, who's a fellow customer success manager who put this deck together for us. So really excited. Let's get started. Again, I'm going to highlight everything in under 10 minutes. The first thing is a new immersive meetings experience with Microsoft Mesh inside of Teams. Mesh for Teams introduces a new generation of 2D and 3D meeting experiences with personalized avatars and immersive spaces to bridge the gap between physical and digital worlds. With personalized avatars, you can feel the presence in meetings without ever turning on your cameras, which is nice for some folks. It's, again, another great inclusive feature for people that want to show up how they want to. Additionally, there's new user experience features in Microsoft Teams meetings. Let's review this rundown. First, you can set expectations before the meeting kicks off by assigning roles from the scheduling form. You can also ensure that all voices are heard by seeing the order of raised hands in a meeting. Mute notifications and pinning or hiding your own video features help reduce fatigue. As we're seeing more and more people attending meetings from mobile devices, we also like to make sure users can participate in the meeting effectively. So we've revamped the overflow menu to prioritize key actions. We've also introduced a notification drawer so users can preview, collapse, and clear notifications with one tap. Moving on, we also have new webinar and broadcasting capabilities. We now have virtual green room in Teams before an event starts, providing a space for organizers and presenters to prepare. This provides a private space separate from attendees to talk live and prep in the pre-live phase. While attendees wait, they are greeted with a welcome screen, and they can use chat to engage or pose questions with the Q&A experience. We've also enabled organizers and presenters to manage what attendees see. This assures that attendees will only see shared content and participants that are brought on the screen. The co-organizer feature enables you to sign up to 10 co-organizers for webinars and meetings. The co-organizer will have the same capabilities and permissions as the organizer. The new Q&A experience enables more structure for both open and moderated meetings and webinars. Organizers and presenters can mark best answers, filter responses, moderate and dismiss questions, and pin posts such as welcome messages. Broadcasters will be able to create high-quality, clean audio mix with our new isolated audio feed capabilities in Microsoft Teams. As broadcasters use NDI or hardware out, they will be able to get isolated audio feed along with the isolated video feed from any Teams meeting. Now, with isolated audio, broadcasters will still have full control over both the audio and video feeds going into their studio. Leading events and hospitality management platform, Cvent, is now integrated with Teams. Starting in early 2022, customers can use Cvent to manage the event lifecycle, including registration and agenda management, and to deliver the virtual meeting and event experience fully via Teams. The highly anticipated shared channels and chat with teams is where you can share and collaborate and communicate with individuals and teams across multiple organizations. So no more tenant switching. This is such a highly anticipated feature that folks have been waiting on for a really long time. So really happy to announce this one. Also, chat with self. It's a safe place for writing drafts, such as quick ideas and reminders on mobile, helping you to stay organized. We also have diverse reactions to help you express yourself more authentically. You can add reactions to messages from over 800 new 3D emojis, and that's up from only what is 6 available today. We also have the new chat density feature. It's a new compact setting allowing you to see 50% more messages on your screen. Delayed delivery of messages is the next one, and this is a great feature because it enables you to select a specific time to send a message. Like delayed delivery in Outlook, you'll be able to send out chat message at a certain point in time that was convenient for you, or keeping in mind when it's convenient specifically for someone else. With that in mind, we also now have the feature where you're going to be able to see a user's time zone found on their contact card. So again, for the global organizations or those that are regionally dispersed, it's really great to be able to have such a clear view into where folks are located. Really excited about this next update. This is the Frontline onboarding wizard. So this is to help assist administrators in streamlining frontline worker deployments. So we're super excited to announce this new onboarding wizard. It's found in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. It's actually live right now, so highly encourage you to go check it out. Basically, the wizard guides you through a 3-step process to create the right team structure, apply the correct licenses and policy packages to get your frontline workforce up and running quickly. So by aligning the right channels, apps, and settings, a superior workforce interaction experience is created across the organization. So again, as mentioned, it's available now. Go check it out. Let's just say easy button. All right, and last but certainly not least, Microsoft Loop. Microsoft Loop is integrated into Microsoft 365 and available as its own app. Loop will let you add different content to applications and documents to better collaborate with colleagues. Microsoft Loops consists of 3 different elements: Loop Components, Loop Pages, and Loop Workspaces. Loop components can be simple items such as lists, tables, and notes, or more complex content such as customer sales opportunities grabbed from Microsoft Dynamics 365. By incorporating these components into an email, chat, virtual meeting, document, or dedicated Loop page, you ensure that the content stays updated and in sync so that you and your colleagues always have the latest information. Loop pages offer flexible canvases where you can organize components and pull in other useful elements like files, links, or data that help teams think, connect, and collaborate. These pages are aimed at helping you and your team members think collectively about a project or task. The pages are also dynamic in a sense that they can start small and then grow as the project expands. A Loop workspace is a shared virtual space where you and other team members can view and organize all the content related to a project. The idea here is to help what you see, what other members are doing and working on, responding to the ideas of other people, and viewing the progress being made toward a shared goal. And with that, we also have many more updates. So please feel free to check it out. And with that, that's 7-minute update on all things Microsoft Teams coming out of Ignite. Thank you so much, everyone.